Welcome back to HaryPhamDev channel. My name is Harry. As you know, PostgreSQL or PostgreSQL, also known as Postgres, is a powerful open-source object-relational database system with over 30 years of active development that has earned it a strong reputation for reliability, feature robustness, and performance. To start understanding the Postgres basics, first, you must install the Postgres. In this video, you will step-by-step learn how to install Postgres on your local system. But before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications of my video uploads. Postgres was developed for UNIX-like platforms. However, it was designed to be portable. It means that Postgres can also run on other platforms such as macOS, Solaris, and Windows. Since version 8.0, Postgres offers an installer for Windows system that makes the installation process easier and faster. For development purposes, we will install Postgres version 13, the newest version right now, on Windows 10. There are 3 steps to complete the Postgres installation. First, download Postgres installer for Windows, then install Postgres. The final step is verifying the installation. Number 1. Download Postgres installer for Windows. First, you need to go to the download page for Postgres installer on the Postgres website. Second, click on the download links as shown in this screen. It will take a few minutes to complete the download. Number 2. Install Postgres on Windows step by step. To install Postgres on Windows, following these steps. Step 1. Double-click on the installer file. An installation wizard will appear and guide you through multiple steps where you can choose different options that you would like to have in Postgres. Step 2. Click the Next button. Step 3. Specify installation folder. Choose a run or keep the default folder suggested by Postgres installer and click the Next button. Step 4. Select software component to install. The PostgreSQL server to install the PostgreSQL database server. The pgAdmin 4 to install the PostgreSQL database UI management tool. Command line tools to install command line tools. This tool allows you to interact with the Postgres database server using command line interface. Stack Builder provides a UI that allows you to download and install drivers that work with Postgres. For this video, you don't need to install Stack Builder, so feel free to uncheck it and click the Next button to select the data directory. Step 5. Select the database directory to store the data or accept the default folder. Then, click the Next button to go to the next step. Step 6. Enter the password for the database superuser. Postgres runs as a service in the background under a service account named Postgres. If you already created a service account with the name Postgres, you need to provide the password of that account in the following window. After enter the password, you need to retype it to confirm and click the Next button. Step 7. Enter a port number on which the Postgres database server will listen. The default is 5432. You need to make sure that no other applications are using this port. Step 8. Choose the default locale used the Postgres database. If you leave it as the default locale, Postgres will use the operating system locale. After that, click the Next button. Step 9. The setup wizard will show the summary information of Postgres. You need to review it and click the next button if everything is correct. Otherwise, you need to click the back button to change the configuration accordingly. Now you already installed Postgres on your computer. Click the next button to begin installing Postgres. The installation may take a few minutes to complete. Step 10. Click the Finish button to complete the Postgres installation. The reason we see this screen because after step 4, I didn't uncheck the Stack Builder component options. So after install Postgres, there is Stack Builder. Click on the Cancel button. Choose Yes to quit. Now the question is how we run Postgres. First, we need to know if we install Postgres successfully or not. Click on the button on the taskbar, then type Control Panel. Open this Windows app, then choose the Uninstall a Program option. Click on the name text to sort the app's name by alphabet letter. Find the P character. Here we are. The Postgres version 13 is successfully installed in our machine. To run Postgres, if you do the same thing, search for Postgres app. There is no Postgres app, but don't worry, we use it this way. Choose the P letter, then click on pgAdmin 4. I choose the option Pin to start, so the next time I open my Windows, the pgAdmin 4 will be here. The first time you open Postgres, you need to set a master password. Type your password, then hit the OK button. Before we can connect to any Postgres server, enter your password here. Choose the Save Password option, so the next time we no need to do this step anymore. Click on the OK button. In order to create your own database, first, you need to create your database, then create a table. The final step is write some SQL query to get your data from your tables.